success last year was built on play action. You saw what Joi Howlin was able to do against Clemson.
This is quarterback run here.
And Mr. Blackwood's watching a lot of film. They're going to get a hold, though, in the interior of the offensive line.
Today I'm going to use my Ballistic Griddle. I haven't used this in a while. And Joi's going to be making some patties. We're going to be using the Sure Shot SIDS Gunpowder seasoning. So with the gunpowder and the ballistic, man, this is going to be explosive. I'll be back. Well, it's New Year's Eve. And look at what a nice afternoon we have here in Northern California. Man. Perfect weather for doing this. I'll see you in a bit. Alright. Got this thing going. Well, while I'm waiting, I kind of have a question for anyone watching. What type of music do you prefer overall? Name some artists or bands you like. That'd be kind of cool. There's no right or wrong answer. But since I like music so much, I'm kind of curious to see what other interests people have for music. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's that time. Put some oil on it. And spread it out. Man, it's been like forever since I used this thing. I'm not an expert at making hamburger patties, but it'll be good. Okay, I'll be back. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. Heck yeah. Man, oh man, I can't wait. I always say that, but you know what? I have to wait. I remember when Greg at Ballistic BBQ first introduced this griddle. Awesome. I'll be back. That Sure Shot SIDS Gunpowder seasoning smells great. Thank you, Leland. Appreciate it. These are looking really delicious. Okay, anyways, if anyone's interested in a ballistic griddle, I feature Ballistic BBQ. I believe Greg still has a link to get one of these. Just go there, click on it, and get yourself one. One of these days I'm going to do a breakfast on this. Sausage or bacon, eggs, hash browns. I'll be back. Reminds me of Shrinky Dinks when I was a kid. They shrunk. Anyway, next time I'm going to use a leaner meat. This was 80% lean. I'm going to go a little higher. Just so there's less mess. But these are still going to be killer. Well, there you have it. Ballistic Griddle, Gunpowder, ground beef patties. Man, that smells killer. Alright, well, Joi and I would like to wish everyone a fun and safe New Year. Be safe, and don't drink and drive. See you next year. Rock on. Okay, this is what I did with them. Got some of these rolls from Walmart. I put A1 sauce. That's all I need other than the gunpowder seasoning. Thank you, Howlin Smoke BBQ, Leland. Appreciate it. Tastes great. Once again, Joi and I wish you all a fun and safe New Year. Rock on.